So in this realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to reset filters here on the realtor.com mobile application. So the first thing you have to do is open up the realtor.com app or the website. Once that is done, simply go to the bottom left here, press on search, then go to the top left and press on filters. Now, once you're on the filters page, so as of right now, I actually have nothing set to it. So my filters are actually, I guess, reset technically. But for example, if you're looking for houses that are like, let's just go a bunch of random filters here. We'll go $200,000 to no max. We'll go 2+ bedrooms. We'll go 4+ bathrooms. We'll go, home size, etc. So as you can tell in the bottom right, my search is now 2,807 homes. I'll go ahead and press on see homes just like that. Now, if you want to reset these filters and go back to the normal filters, I guess, press on filters again in the top left, then go to the top right and press on reset. And if you go ahead and press on reset, the bottom right here, as you can tell, now updates back to 24,000 homes rather than the 2,000 or whatever it was before. So once I then press on see homes, now your filters are reset. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to reset filters here on the realtor.com application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.